Hello, my name is Mdamun Islam Alif, and right now I am studying at English Fantasy. I have a dream. When I am at class 8, I wanted to go abroad for my higher study, and I wanted to settle there for my lifetime. But that time it's not possible. But now I'm preparing for my IELTS exam, and I wanted to go abroad between 1 year, and I just trying my level best for learning it properly and gaining my best knowledge from here. And English Fantasy has a better opportunity for us to learn this type of thing, and their environment are also so good for learning English, because there every students are speaking English every time. If they speak for once Bangla, that time they got fine. Now I want to say that, like, why our youth generation want to go abroad, and why they packing their bags for settling in Australia, Canada or Europe. Actually, in Bangladesh, there is no opportunity to get better jobs and get higher salary job. But if they see in abroad, that time they can see that they get better salary jobs. Also, they can learn everything by their skills. But in Bangladesh, they can't show their skills properly, and this is the biggest reason every students want to go abroad and settle there. Now I am staying at Ziauddin in Dhaka, and thank you English Fantasy for getting me here. Right now I'm staying at Ziauddin in Dhaka, and this is the place where can every students learn their extracurricular activities, and also they can learn English by talking to each other, and they can do conversation with another person very easily. And if we go outside like this type of place, that time we can gain another extra type of knowledge. That is the biggest reason we came here.